Oh look, another glorious morning. Makes me sick. My lucky rat tail. Hello my loves, today I'm going to be unboxing the entire Harry Potter makeup collection by Colourpop. Now, I already did open the box. I took a little peek because my sister's right. I had ordered something before and she's like, you should check and make sure that everything is in there and it's not broken. But I didn't really like open everything in depth. Like I just had to make sure nothing was broken because I received a palette before. I don't know if it was from Colourpop or it was from like BH Cosmetics or something like that. And it was broken. It was like smashed and I was not pleased about that. So yeah, just to make sure that nothing was wrong with my magical owl post. Look at that. How stunning. Isn't this gorgeous? Let's open it on. Oh my god. Look at that. Akio makeup. Okay, I'm such a nerd. But anyway. Yes. Meet me at platform 9 3 quarters. Ah, I love this. Okay. So just like with the High School Musical collection, I got the PR collection for this as well. No, it was not sent to me. I paid for this with my own money. However, this is like the PR box. And this is what comes inside. How fancy, schmancy. Loving that. I literally just did the High School Musical unboxing and I'm talking to Colourpop and I'm just like, dude, what are you doing to me? And now I see there's a new Hocus Pocus collection again. I do have the previous two. I just ordered the High School Musical one and the Harry Potter one just came a few days ago and now you're releasing Hocus Pocus. Like, yes, I do use my makeup all the time. Like, I never leave the house without it. And I film and do content for you guys, but it's like, am I really going to be using like all of this makeup like ASAP? Obviously not. But if you keep making my favorite fandoms, I can't really help myself. Self-control, which is what I don't have. Well, look at this. I should have probably grabbed scissors, but let's see if I could do it without. Look, this is the inside. Look how pretty. Oh my. So these four are lip glosses. Look at this. It doesn't get any more stunning than this. Let me see. Look at that. So, let's see if I could open this and see what everything looks like. Okay. Wow. Look at the orange for Ron. That's stunning. Super stunning. Wow. And then we have Harry Potter. These are lip glosses like I stated before. Woo. And of course this is like red. Looks like a red orange. And then Hermione. Let's open. Oh no, come on now. I don't like when the packaging is too like tight and then it like rips the... It's gonna do it anyway, isn't it? This one might show up a little weird, so I'll probably like put it... smells okay. Some lip glosses are scented. This one doesn't really have a good scent. I'm so excited for spooky season. I don't know if I'm going to be putting this video up like before I start my Halloween series or after. Not sure. It might just go up like randomly. And then this is Luna. Oh, this is beautiful. Of course hers is like sparkly and like cute. Look at that. I'm loving this so much. It's not even funny. I have my fan on again, so it better not like mess up my hair. It always does that when I film. It drives me crazy. But anyway, now, wow. Look at the liquid liners. Yes, Colourpop. Oh my. Look at that. That is gorgeous. I mean, let's see. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, okay. I don't know, like, wow. Okay, I'm not gonna open all of them because they're all gonna look like this. Obviously, they're different colors, but like, this one is the red liquid liner. My sisters are definitely going to want to use this. They love liquid liner. I hate it. I prefer doing my wings with a pen. It's just easier because liquid liner is a pain in the butt, in my opinion. And then these are scented lip balms. I looked it up obviously before I bought it. And I was like, does that come with 4 lippies? Because no wonder it was so expensive. I did use a coupon code though, so I got 15% off. Obviously I don't have my own coupon code because I bought this on my own, but it said that it came with lip balms, and this is what they look like. And they're all scented. It does not say what the scents are, but I could open the Gryffindor one. I'm a Gryffindor, so I'm going to open the Gryffindor one. And I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. That's what it looks like. So pretty. It's really pretty. It smells like cherries. I am definitely keeping this out because it's cold weather approaching. It's already gotten chilly, so I am glad that I swapped out my fall clothes already and I put my summer clothes away because it's getting really chilly. We've had some days where it was like 55 degrees. It was like really cold. So this is the Hedwig Shock Highlighter. So let's see if I can open this. I didn't even grab scissors. Whoopsies. Oh, I got it. Ooh. This is so pretty. See? This is stunning. Doesn't want to open, it's being stubborn. This is gorgeous. Worth every penny. Oh. This one looks like got smushed a little. See, it's like smeared around the outside. That's okay though. But it's still really pretty. Oh. Like looking out my window, it's so beautiful outside. Okay. Then we have the Buck Beak. Oh, that's another highlighter right there. Buck Beak. I'm gonna put that back. Let's put all the garbage. Okay. They don't want to open. Oh, this one looks like it's a little messed up. Oh, it's not, but there's like shimmer on the outside of my palette. And that's what that one looks like. So cute. Whoopsies. Okay, that wasn't placed properly. So I'm gonna put that in like that. Okay. I want to get to the palette is what I want to see. And then the Dobby highlighter. Okay. This is so cute. I'm going to put the trash in there. I don't know if I showed you guys the front of it. That was Bugbeak. And this is Dobby. Look how cute that is. Like, that is so stinking cute. I'm obsessed. Let's see. Why don't you open on up? Okay. Whoopsies. See what it's doing? I think the last thing I have is the palette. Look at this pretty highlight. I've been wanting some new highlighters, so I'm super stoked about this. This is gorgeous. I love my highlight. Like, I don't compromise on that, so So happy that I have this. And now for the holy grail, the palette. Let's see. Alohomora. I know, I'm so weird. Sorry. Oh my god. This is stunning. Look at the gold foiling. The gold foiling. That is beautiful. Look at this. Oh my god. I have to show my sisters this palette when I'm finished. Oh my. These are the shades. My lighting is like reflecting on it. I hope you can see that properly. Oh my god. This palette is going to be my go-to fall palette. Like, no ifs, ands, or buts. This is a gorgeous palette. The Scream Sam. Look at that. What the heck? This is beautiful. Okay, my loves. That is it for today's video. Let me know what you guys thought about it down below. Don't forget to leave some comments. Hit that subscribe button and turn on that notifications bell. That way you guys will not miss any uploads of mine. And with all of that said, until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!